In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets with automated two-way sync. This process will allow you to keep your data seamlessly updated between the two platforms, ensuring you never miss a beat in your project management and data analysis tasks. Let's start by heading over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll notice a login option at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. For those of you logging in for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. You can choose to log in using Google or an email that's linked to your Monday.com account. If this isn't your first time, you'll be automatically directed to your Monday workspace once you log in. Now, to set up the connection between Monday.com and Google Sheets, we will be using a handy tool called Unito. This app specializes in creating robust integrations and syncing data across various platforms. So, let's get started with installing Unito. Look for a dotted square icon located in the upper right corner of your screen and give it a click. This will lead you to the marketplace where you can find different apps that enhance your Monday.com experience. Next, type Unito in the search box. Once it appears, select it to proceed with the installation. The process is straightforward, just click Install App, and Unito will be added to your Monday.com environment. You will now need to authorize Monday.com within Unito, and likewise authorize Unito within Monday.com. These permissions are necessary to enable the data sync between the two apps. Now, it's important to have this set up on the Google Sheets side too. Install the necessary plugin within Google Sheets to establish a two-way sync. This step is crucial as it enables the data to flow both ways, keeping your information current and accurate across both platforms. Back in Unito, follow the step-by-step guide provided for setting up a two-way connection. This guide is specifically designed to walk you through connecting Google Sheets seamlessly. It explains how to select the data you want to sync, set the rules for how the data should be transferred, and customize other settings to fit your exact needs. Once you've followed these instructions and completed the setup process, you're all set. With both platforms now connected, enjoy the benefits of having a continuous data sync between Monday.com and Google Sheets. This setup ensures efficiency and accuracy in your workflow, freeing you up to focus more on what matters, driving your projects to success. And there you have it, folks. It's as simple as that to connect Monday.com to Google Sheets with automated two-way sync. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy syncing.